And we're back again. So here's the clock. We've got almost everything disassembled out of this. Just to show you guys where everything's going. I've got a box here. I'm wrapping up all the gauges to keep them safe and sound. See if I can get this to stay a little bit. Okay, there we go. Oh, there's a nice view. Okay, so for these old clocks, you pull up. It won't. Yeah, the clock is shot. So, like I said, I got to call into the part supplier that may have a good, solid used dash that won't cost us much. I don't know yet. I can't quote prices because they haven't called me back yet. So it is what it is. But I'm making sure that we get all the parts. So if any of the gauge faces are a little wonky and we don't like the looks of them, these gauge faces are in really, really good shape. And I can just pop them off and re-face plate the new gauges when they come in. So we're good that way. So I want to make sure that everything stays safe and sound. So if the hands on the clock are not quite nice, these are really, really nice. So we shouldn't have any issues that way. But I just want to make sure that we're safe with all the gauges. So if we need parts, we can, and it won't cost us having to try and find more parts. So I'll be down here in a little bit getting that part taken care of. I already got my tester out so we can test any electrical, make sure that we're good. But yeah, the dash is pretty messed up. I would really like to get a hold of the people that did this. I really would. But all right, guys, I'm going to let you go so I can get back to work, and we'll keep you informed.